Hey, this is Ken Pozek, real estate agent here in Orlando, Florida, and today I'm taking you on a neighborhood tour of Lakeshore by Toll Brothers in Winter Garden. Let's get into it. All right, so where are we specifically? Well, we're in Horizon West in Winter Garden, and we're just off of 429 in Seidel, and the neighborhood is surrounded by Orange County National Golf Course and Panther Lake. All right, so we're gonna get into the amenity center in just a minute, but before we do, let's talk about schools. So because of all the growth that's happening in this area, there's a lot of new schools popping up and rezoning happening. For example, right now, the zoning for this area for high school is Windermere High School, which is about 10 minutes away. But because of all the new people moving in, they're actually opening up a new high school right across the street from this neighborhood. Right off of Seidel is gonna be the new high school. So we don't know the name yet, but stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated. Let's get into the amenities. So Toll Brothers has spent a lot of money on making this a really high-end experience for the neighborhood. They've got a 4,200 square foot amenity center here that has a full gym, it's got a kitchen and a flex space. They do classes on a regular basis. Outside here, you've got a splash pad, a full pool, overlooking this gorgeous lake, sand volleyball, hammocks. It's just a really fantastic resort-style amenity right here in the neighborhood. So there's actually three different types of houses here at Lakeshore. There's the townhomes, which we're going to start at now, and then there's the executive and estate series. So let's start at the townhomes. The townhomes here are going to actually be the majority of what you see when you first pull into the neighborhood. And they're going to be 3, 4, and 5 bedrooms. And the way that the Toll Brothers builds these properties, they're fantastic in terms of the quality throughout. So although they're a townhome, it really is an experience when you're walking in feeling like not just a normal townhome, but a really high-end experience that you're not going to see elsewhere here in Winter Garden. All right, so this is the second type of house here in Lakeshore. This is the executive series. So these are kind of the middle level properties where like 2,800 square feet up to 3,400 square feet. They're gonna be your middle level pricing for the neighborhood and have slightly smaller lots, but they make up for it in a lot of different ways. One of which is a lot of them have a second floor balcony and a lot of cool features that make this a fantastic value with a great product. Let's go take a look. So the final type of house here in the neighborhood is the estate collection, which are usually the properties that are on the water or on one of the larger lots. And so these properties typically start in the 900s and go all the way up to almost $2 million. These are the larger properties, larger lots, fantastic amenities. Let's take a look. So that's our tour of Lakeshore here in Winter Garden. I hope you enjoyed it. Listen, if you have any questions about the neighborhood, the builder, the area, feel free to reach out anytime. My number's 407-717-0197 or shoot me an email at ken@pozekgroup.com. And listen, take a minute right now, hit that subscribe button and keep updated on everything going on here in Orlando with real estate. We'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.